You look cold. Maybe I should make something to warm you up. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope everybody had a fantastic new year. I thought I'd start the new year sharing with you a super easy, creamy, rich, savory cream of broccoli soup made with potatoes and carrots. You'll love it. Let's get started. We're going to start by peeling and chopping our potatoes and carrots. I'm using frozen broccoli today, so I don't have to worry much about chopping those. Alrighty, now we have our vegetables chopped. We're just going to add them to our Instapot. Now that we have our vegetables chopped, we can just add them to the Instapot. I've got about 2.5 cups of potatoes, 1 cup of carrots, a pound of frozen broccoli, 4 cups of vegetable broth, a tablespoon of sage, a tablespoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and pink Himalayan salt. You'll want to give it a quick stir, get all the ingredients incorporated together, put the lid on. Make sure it's in the sealing position, hit pressure cook, and set for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes are up, you'll want to do a quick release. All that's left to do now is to take the cashews, 1 cup, and I take about 2 ladles full of the soup broth and add that to my Vitamix. If you don't have a Vitamix or a high-speed blender, you may want to pre-soak your cashews for a couple of hours before doing this. This is what's going to give the soup a really creamy, rich consistency. After blending for about 2 minutes, I'm just going to add it to the soup. Give it all a good stir to incorporate everything together. All that's left to do now is to ladle a couple of spoons in your bowl. I like to finish mine off with some freshly ground black pepper, a sprinkle of smoked paprika, and some homemade croutons. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I sure enjoy making them, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Have a great day. It's so good. What do you think? try this recipe. It's the perfect go-to for when you're It's a perfect recipe for when you're in a hurry and you don't have a lot of time and you want a quick meal fast. You want a good meal fast. I'm going to have to take all that shit out.